Ijaji liqale labuza ukuthi kungani lesi sicelo sifakwe njengento ephuthumayo. Amalungu asendlunkulu angahambisani neSilo uMisuzulu afuna ukuthi iSilo uMisuzulu singavunyelwa ukwenza eminye imisebenzi eyenziwa yiSilo. Athi lolu daba lwesihlalo sobukhosi lusasenkantolo ephakeme ePitoli. Ngakho-ke akumele avunyelwe ukwenza imisebenzi yeSilo okubalwa kuyo nokulawulwa kwesikhwama iNgonyama Trust.
The applicants do meet the test and the standard for the granting of an interim interdict. The harm is clear, and the harm that they are seeking to protect is not only their personal interest.
Lolu hlangothi lwasendlunkulu oluphikisana nesihlalo sobukhosi luthi kunemali iSilo esiyisebenzisa ngendlela engafanele kumanje okumele ngabe imali yokuthuthukisa umphakathi.
The challenge is that 5% the monarch is supposed to spend for purposes of development of communities, not for this particular purpose.
Bafuna nokuthi uhulumeni wesifundazwe ume ukukhokhela izindleko zasenkantolo zeSilo.
But with respect to the Premier allocating the 15 million specifically for that litigation, it is that with which we raise these concerns.
Ummeli omele uhlangothi lweSilo uMisuzulu uthi umbango oqhubekayo enkantolo ephakeme ePitoli othinta isihlalo sobukhosi awusho ukuthi iSilo uMisuzulu sikulesi sihlalo ngokungemthetho.
Is they've adopted the approach that His Majesty the King has not been identified, recognized and inaugurated properly. He's unlawfully, they use the word in their papers, he's unlawfully in position. Now, we know what the status is with the pending appeal currently in the Supreme Court of Appeal. He is in office, he is the king, and he should be dealt with on that basis until a competent court decides otherwise.
Isinqumo ngalolu daba sigodliwe.